Hello everyone, today let's talk about DU, JNU and IGIDR economics entrance exam and what it looks three different exams, but secretly they all check the same thing. Whether you can think alike and like economists without panicking like a student, these exams don't care how many formulas you memorized last night, they care whether you understand economic behavior, logic and patterns. And the funniest thing, most students study for these entrances as if they are preparing for board exam 2.0. That's why they get stuck. These entrances reward conceptual clarity. If your micro foundations are strong, consumer optimization producer theory, market dynamics, elasticity, equilibrium logic, then automatically 40% of the paper becomes easy. The issue is when students mug up diagrams without knowing why the curve is bending like yoga instructor. Our teaching makes you understand the behavior, not just the diagram. Macroeconomics in these entrances demands structure, national income accounting, money market, ISLM growth models, inflation, unemployment dynamics, and trust me, JNU in particular loves asking questions that look simple but have one little twist that exposes your understanding instantly. Do is more direct, but the computational IGIDR, on the other hand, behaves like that topper friend who asks just one doubt and ruins the whole class. Their numericals are sharp, clean, and beautifully tricky. Mathematics and statistics play a huge role across all three exams. You must be fluent in calculus, matrices, optimization, probability, expectation, correlation, distribution, limit behavior. All the three things students conveniently ignore until the exam paper hits them emotionally. But we simplify things using logic behind differentiation, the story behind probability, and the idea behind optimization, rather than treating them like some alien languages. The real challenge in these exams is not the syllabus, it's a mixing of micro, macro, maths, Indian economy, and logic in the same paper. That's where our pattern based approach comes in. We train you to identify whether a question is mathematical in disguise, conceptual in disguise, or simply a trap pretending to be easy. We teach you elimination techniques that drastically reduce calculation time, especially in IGIDR and DU. And finally, we build speed through economic sense checking, a method where you quickly check whether the answer behaves logically before marking it. This alone saves students from silly errors and adds 10 to 15 marks effortlessly. By the end of the course, DU stops looking bulky, JNU stops looking scary, and IGIDR stops looking like a mathematical ghost. You will start seeing pattern, not chaos, and suddenly these entrances become predictable instead of intimidating.